Hi guys, we're working on the Corvette and then there is no sound, and then this one is a Bose system. So we tested everything was good. So we're trying to replace the amp. It's by the floor, by the fuse box right there. So we're gonna take the 7mm out and then let's see if the sound comes out. So 7mm. So we got the new Bose amp.
Yeah, I ain't complaining. Shit, nice. Yeah.
Okay, so make sure ignition is off, and then you have to unplug on the top right there. You can just squeeze it. Okay, so you just squeeze on the left side, and then this one you just push the clip here, and then you can take it out.